Top 3 reason kung bakit mo kailangan mag-upgrade from your Huawei Watch Fit 3 to the all-new Huawei Watch Fit 4. First of all, mas manipis siya at 9.5mm compared to the 9.9mm doon sa Huawei Watch Fit 3. At the same time, mas mataas na rin kanyang maximum brightness kaya mas maliwanag na siya under the direct sunlight. Plus, there's a lot of new watch faces to choose. Ito sa Watch Fit 3, very basic lang siya. Ito sa Watch Fit 4, mas interactive na si Felix. Second reason is that mas marami na siya dinagdag sa kanyang fitness mode. Meron siya full color map, stair climbing mode, and water sports route tracking na wala dito sa Fit 3. And third reason, mas smarter na siya. Some of the function like voice memo, speech-to-text input, screenshot, and of course, wireless charging. Nawala rin dito sa Fit 3. May secret lang share sa inyo. Did you know na pwede kayo mag-charge nitong Huawei Watch Fit 4 nyo sa inyong mga power bank na may Qi wireless charging? Ayun guys, in case na naiwan nyo yung charger ninyo, pwede mag-charge ito sa mga magnetic wireless power bank ninyo. Huwag nyo sabihin, nalaman nyo dito sa akin, So guys, convinced na kayo, kailangan nyo na mag-upgrade. Get the Huawei Watch Fit 4 starting this May 21 for 6,499 and with a 300 pesos na voucher. Just simply click the yellow basket para malaman nyo how to buy it.